Okay, huge update. We just had a baby, so haven't had time to edit any videos or anything, but this bike is going away. Tiffany's selling it and hopefully getting a new R7. And then I still have my Aprilia because I'm not getting rid of this thing. It's awesome. So I'm gonna go ride, get some clips real quick, and maybe run into some people, I don't know. If not, I'll roll solo. Alright, Tiffany is selling this bike and hopefully getting an R7 sometime next week. So, we got the buyer over here, one of the homies, and this thing's gonna be gone.
It's up to you, man. You should make your life easier.
I know. Reset. I'm already a week done. 5 more weeks.
What about the anniversary though?
Well, this took me 4 years. This is what, my new bike. 1 week postpartum, buying a new bike. Sold the KTM for more than I bought it for. This is it.
But the anniversary is cool too. But I think the blue works better.
And it's meant to be now. I'm the only one in town with it. RIP to the other one.
Gold logos.
This is cool though.
Hello there, how are you?
Hey, tired?
Should we just put the
Yeah, I believe so. I'm sorry.
I think. Are they almost done, you think?
There's my key.
I think it's probably gonna give it to you when we come back.
New bike goofing, YouTube. Look at this thing. Yay!
So we finally got the bike brought back home. It kind of sucked because I had to ride the bike home in the rain, but we got it in the garage. So here it is, in the garage. Yo, this shit looks so good. Let me wide zoom that. Yeah, that's tough. Another Yamaha in the garage. It's not an R6, R7, but it's close enough. Even though I like the R6s more. I rode this home and it was pretty nice. Definitely slower than this, way slower than this, but it's fun. Tiffany will enjoy it, and it's enough power to where she can go fast, but not fast enough to where she'll get hurt. Like my bike, if she got on this, I don't know what would happen. But this one, super controlled, perfect. And then I picked up this from Cycle Gear for her. This is gonna go super hard. That's gonna be tough. Like, look at that, oof. Yeah, it's gonna be dope. Domino grips, best grips out there. I would not recommend any other grips other than Domino. Like a very good interview spot.
How many of you swiped right? How many of you swiped left? Right now. 50-50. That's what it is.
I've been in the union for 20 years now. I've been hucking hammers longer than you've been breathing, boy.
Bro, all these goddamn part-timers.
You need his hands. They're real men hands. Not
Saw
them little
hands.
sissy boy hands you got.
Sissy boy? Fuck.
That's crazy.
Fucking liberal.
Talk whatever this is going on. I think you can see everything going on around me. This is Brandon. But yeah, we're here. Yeah. I don't know how to end this shit, so we're just gonna keep going.